Today we are in our Piano Adventures lesson book primer level and we are playing Gorilla in the Tree. Our focus today is on middle C and bass F. It's on the fourth line of the bass clef staff. And we have a repeat in the piece of music. So we're going to play all the way through and then repeat back to the beginning all the way through and we are finished. If you are coloring your notes, the C's are red and your F's are green. And you want to put at the beginning of the piece that your first finger is on C and your fifth finger is on F. And this is how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's do it as a duet. Okay, now I'm going to let you play it all by yourself, and I'll count you in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, if you want to play it again, just rewind the video and do it again. Have fun with this one. It's a nice short piece, but it is a very good exercise for learning middle C and bass F.